There was a long-haired cowboy on the side of the road, walking alone, dust blind from the boots, dry as a bone. And the next thing I knew, there was this man riding shotgun in my DeLorean, and he was singing the blues. He started singing about the sea that starts to dream. Do you know what I mean? When you find your niche in the music scene, you can fly like an eagle if that's your dream. So take advice, my friend, from this man who's riding shotgun in your DeLorean, and go show what's inside of you. Yeah. Well, you just can't make it alone. You need the Lord on your side and a strong family home. You gotta make it work. You gotta make it sweet. You got to play your music, get them dancing in the street. Take advice, my friend, from that man who's riding shotgun in your DeLorean, and go show 'em what's inside of you.
Famous for alternators. You got alternator.
The alternator belt. This is my stethoscope. Okay, I gotta go get this.
You should wear it around your pants. It should be an alternator belt.
Well, the show is going fine, as you can see. I'm probably at the end. I got another 2 hours before I get to lay down and go to sleep.